You know what Tuesday means, my friends. Since we get those grocery ads early, we give you the sneak peek of the best deals before the ads even make it to your door. So check this out.
Head over to Bash's to get 2 packages of Hickman's large eggs for a total of $3. In produce, it's 87 cents each for kale and 67 cents per pound for navel oranges. In the meat department, Friday through Sunday, it's buy one, get one free USDA Choice boneless beef. All week long at Albertsons, they have a buy one, get 2 free deal on USDA Choice beef petite sirloin steak roast or chuck tender fillets. At Safeway, pay 88 cents per pound for red, ripe tomatoes on the vine or broccoli crowns. Pay just 97 cents per pound for Sanderson Farm split chicken breasts, drums, thighs, and leg quarters. Food City has a similar deal, 97 cents per pound for boneless chicken leg meat or country-style pork ribs. In produce, get 3 pounds of Gala apples for just 99 cents and score 5 cucumbers for $1. At Fry's, pay 88 cents each when you buy 5 2-liters of Pepsi or 7-Up, plus you'll earn 3 times the fuel points. Pay $8 total when you mix and match 4 select Kellogg cereals and you'll score a free gallon of milk. Thursday through Sunday, pay $1.99 for Kroger brats or Italian sausage, and just 49 cents each for 32-ounce Powerade or Powerade Zero.